Hi, I'm Hi April. Today I'm gonna share with you the way I find the number have decimal part in Excel. Let's get started. Here we have the data like this. In this column C, we have numerous number has include decimal part in it. For example, for the 4578 number, the 40 before point is the integer portion of the number, and 4578 is decimal number of this number. So we will use to get the decimal number of this number, we just use the trong function. Trong function is simply guess the decimal integer portion of the number if it exists, and it doesn't do any rounding the number like the int function. For example, we use trunk, and there is two parameters in this function. The first is number, the second is number digits, and number digits is optional. In this case, we just use first parameter in number, and our number is C5, so just slash C5, then close in brackets and enter. The result will return to the 40 is mean integer portion of the number, and to get the decimal number we just take number is mean C5 and minus to trunk function, then we will get the decimal number part of this number. And to make it shorter, we just include if function to this formula like this. In this case, I will use the if s function. Logical test 1 is C5. If it's bigger than O, we will return decimal. And the remain case I will use true. True stand for the remain case when you use the if s function. Okay, the value if true will use integer portion. I will even number. Okay, closing brackets, decimal, then fill out the formula. Okay, and that time we just turn on the filter and filter the value decimal on column D. It will return on the number had decimal part in our data. That's the end for our video today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks, and next.